everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I am going to be using these beautiful things to do a simple hard gel set of nails. So I'm using my Flexi Hand. I've got some beautiful glitter. This one is called Heirloom and it's from Nail Sugar. I absolutely love this one. This is one of my absolute favorites. It's a really nice gold as well. It's not one of those yellow golds. I'm not too keen on those. Then I'm using Nikita. This is a Blingline color hard gel. This one is amazing. Wait until you see it on the fingernails. On the nails. Oh, it's beautiful. And then we've got Eliza. She is one of my favorites as well. She's the most gorgeous champagne gold. I love it. Oh, I just love these two colors so much. And I was like, you know what? We're going to use these two today. So these are available from the Little Nail Shop. All the information will be in the description box below. So to start with, we're going to do the... Right, now I like to do pretty much one nail at a time, so you probably will be able to cut your service down by doing like the different layers on the other nails at the same time. I'm using Cool One Step Gel as well. I should just tell you this. This is a self-leveling gel. We're going to use this to cap the nails and create our structure. So I've put Eliza in and cured her. At the same time, you could do the other three nails in Nikita, which is what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do them separately just because it's easier to explain what I'm doing. So we've cured Eliza. We've gone over with a thin layer of Cool One Step Gel, and then into that One Step Gel we are sugaring Heirloom. This is the gold glitter. You could just pick up the glitter with your brush and pop it in, or you could mix some glitter in with the hard gel, but I just find it easier to do it this way. I'm going in now with, we've cured that in place. We're going in now with another thin layer of Cool One Step Gel. This is going to be our slip layer. Then I've picked up quite a big bead, and with this bead we're going to create our structure. Now because I do this on my Flexi Hand, I don't make the nails on. I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm doing this slowly so you can see what I'm doing. So sometimes I like to work in little circles, and sometimes I like to move the brush backwards and forwards, but you can see we've got a bit of an apex going on there. Now it's not, if your client is quite heavy-handed, you're going to probably want to make the apex a little bit more, what's the word? A little bit more pronounced. But because I'm only doing this on my Flexi Hand, she's a very good client. She's very delicate, so she doesn't need a big apex, so just bear that in mind. So yeah, right, so now for this nail we are going to apply, look how gorgeous this colour is. Oh my days. We're going to need 2 coats, but these gels are designed to work in thin layers, so we're going to apply, so do 2 thin layers as opposed to 1 thicker layer. How beautiful is this though? It's like it's almost like almost like a colour shifting. Oh, it's really pretty. Pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Right, then I'm going to do the same on these 2 nails. I don't know why I didn't do it at the same time, but I'm going to apply 1 coat to each nail, and then I will cure them for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to apply another coat, but I'm not going to cure that coat because I want to do something on the middle finger. There's a hair there. No one likes a hair. Well, we do like hair, but not in, you like hair on your head. But not in your hard gel. Right, so I'm going to cure that quick. Then I've gone over with another coat. Now I'm not going to cure this. I think I might have just said that. So into the uncured gel now, I'm going to use my Nail Sugar Natalie Mugridge detailer brush, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of Eliza, and we are going to just drag her through Nikita to make a bit of a marble. And because Nikita isn't cured, Eliza might disperse a little bit. So I'm just going to put some lines through until I'm happy. This is just a really easy design. I didn't want to be overly complicated. So just put as many gold veins through as you want. And then once you're happy, pop the hand in the lamp to cure. So this is going to cure that index finger that we hadn't cured as well. Then I'm going to go over with another thin layer of the Cool One Step gel. And then I'm going to pick some of the glitter up. This is the Heirloom Glitter that we used on the pinky. And I'm just going to put this through the gold streaks on the marble. You can just do like, you can just put a few bits on. I kind of wanted to, well, I ended up going over all the gold streaks, all the veins, whatever you want to call them, with some of that Heirloom Glitter. I'm just putting that into that uncured hard gel, that uncured Cool One Step gel. I think I'm making sense. Sometimes things comes out and they make sense, and then I watch the video back and I'm like, no, that wasn't what you just used. But hopefully you know what I'm on about. There we go. And once I'm happy with the glitter through the marble, I will pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Actually, that might only be a 30-second cure. I don't know, but do it for 60 seconds just to be on the safe side. Then I'm going to go in with a layer of the Cool One Step gel. This is going to be our slip layer. This is going to make it easier to move the gel around to create your structure. There we go. So now we're going to create I didn't pick up a very big bead there. I'm going to have to go in with 2 beads here. See, at the minute I'm doing a backwards and forward stroke, whereas sometimes I like to do I like to move my, like this, I like to move my brush around in a circle. Just do what works for you, but do get qualified because that will help. There we go. I'm just going to hold, you can get your client to hold the nail upside down as well, just to make sure that, you know, you're, yeah, you know. Right, then I'm going to file and buff the nails. I have wiped off that tacky layer off the top of the nails. I've filed and buffed, and we are now at this stage. I'm using crystals from the Crystal Parade. These are different crystals that I've just mixed together. They're all purple, so I was like, well, I'll keep the purple ones together. So they will be a mix of Swarovskis and Preciosa crystals. I'm going to just do a very simple... I'm going to put a bigger blob at the top because I'm going to put a bigger crystal at the top, but I'm going to use different coloured purple crystals, and they're going to taper down the nail, so they're going to get smaller as I go down. There we go. I'm not doing anything difficult. This is just, we're just going to keep this simple because this is going to be an easy hard gel set. And then between all the different crystals, I'm going to put a little blob of... I like to use a gem glue. This is a curable gem glue. You can use the nail glue that air dries. I don't like that. I like to take my time. So between the little crystals, I'm going to put some silver... What are these called? Micro beads. This just makes the design look a little bit fuller. But you don't have to do this if you don't want to. They can be a little bit of a pain in the bum as well. And then I'm just going to put 3 at the top. I don't know why I just didn't put a bigger stone at the top. It would have made my life a lot easier. So I'll put a little bit. I'm going to put 2 touching the stone, and then 1 above them. So like a little triangle of micro beads. There we go. And just make sure it is relatively straight. You don't want it wonky before you put it in the lamp. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. There we go. Now we're going to top coat the nails because it's top coating time. I just want you to see how amazing Heirloom looks. Isn't that just the most precious nail? Oh, I love that. And then this nail, I love this one. Nikita is just the most gorgeous purple. I'm going to come back to this one because I'm going to use a little bit of top coat on my detailer brush to just go around that cuticle area because we don't want to go over the stones. And then this is the marbled nail. That's so pretty. And there was a little bubble in this one, which I was a little bit annoyed about. You'll see it in a minute. I think there was a bubble. So this, my recording box is probably in the way, so I probably can't see it. So yeah, so just use your detailer brush to go around this, just to keep it nice and neat, because you don't want to flood the cuticle area on your client. And then when you've done this, you can pop them into the lamp to cure for a full 60 seconds. Oh, I love them so much. There we go. So they are now done. Oh, the Blingline products are available from the Little Nail Shop, and you can get 10% off using my code NATMUG10. Also, you can get 10% off the glitter from Nail Sugar using my code NATMUG10 as well. I absolutely love these. If you did like this video, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. And I will see you beautiful lot on Monday with a brand new video. Have an amazing weekend. Yay! Bye!